What's one tool that has really revolutionized how I do mosaic crochet? Let me tell you. Hi, I'm Erin Taves. I am a crochet pattern designer and I love overlay mosaic crochet. One problem that I have when I do overlay mosaic crochet is I always end up losing my scissors, my snips. You know, at the end of every row in this technique, you have to grab your snips, snip off your end, fasten off, and then continue on. Usually what happens is my scissors get lost in the couch. They fall on the floor. My kid run off with them. You know, whatever it may be. But I just recently discovered, or I was gifted this tool at H&H, a tool from SewTites. This is traditionally a sewing company, but when they were talking to me about this little tool, I was like, light bulb moment. This is perfect for overlay mosaic crochet. It is SewTites wearable magnetic straight pins and snips holder. It is so magnetic. This is a wearable straight pin and snips holder. It is for those times that you want your snips handy wherever you go. Simply snap this onto your shirt and stick your pins or your snips onto it, okay? So if you're a sewer, maybe you would put your pins on it. But if you're like me, hello, let me show you how this works. There is a little note on there that says do not wear this if you have a pacemaker. And what it is this little metal circle and the front. Let's make sure I don't ruin my microphone here. But you just put this side inside your shirt and then it stays there, okay? And then you put your scissors there and what do you know? Okay, you're crocheting along. You get to the end of your row and you're like, okay, I need to actually fasten off. So you just get your scissors, snip off, put back on, okay? If I tell you that this has transformed how I do mosaic crochet, I love it. It has saved me so much time. I haven't lost this pair of scissors in such a long time. When I was on a road trip, I put this on and I didn't get lost like in the car seats as I set it down when I went out of the car, when I would like reach behind to help my kids with things. I just had my snips right there and I could just do. Also, I was at a movie theater the other day. I had on a necklight from Lumos and I had this blanket actually. I was crocheting and I also had my SewTites magnetic snips holder. Hello. This is not a sponsored video. They're not giving me money to like promote this for you. It's not a commercial in any way, but I do have an affiliate link. And if you use that, I earn a commission off of it. They are also giving you guys a coupon code. Look in the description box below for that coupon code and you get 15% off of your purchase. Now these aren't terribly expensive and I'll tell you it is worth every cent. Take a look around on their website because not only do they have this is like one of their smallest projects. If you are a sewer, quilt or something like that, they have fabulous products for you. This is the only product that I've tried out personally and I think it goes great with crocheters and overlay mosaic crochet. Let me know, have you ever tried this? Do you have any methods, tips, and tricks on how you don't lose your scissors? Tell me in the comments below, what are your favorite tools that you use? Let's have a discussion about that. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up so that more people can find it and their lives can be transformed by this amazing small magnetic product. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'd love it if you're part of my crochet community on here. I post all sorts of yarn related content such as cool tools, tutorials, interviews with other designers, stuff like that. I really hope that you stick around. Hit that little bell so you're notified anytime I release any other videos. If you've never done overlay mosaic crochet and you want to learn the basics, click the link down below to sign up for my free email course on how to do mosaic crochet. You guys are the best. Talk to you later.